Welcome back, fellow students. Are you tired of pulling all-nighters, drowning in endless assignments, and still not getting enough done? Well, today, I've got a secret weapon to help you conquer your study sessions and skyrocket your productivity. It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and it's a simple time management tool that'll change the way you study forever. So, grab your favorite study snacks, put on your comfiest sweatpants, and let's dive into the world of Pomodoro. Part 1. What is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It's named after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer he used to track his work sessions. The technique is super simple. You break your work into short, focused intervals called pomodoros, followed by a short break. And after completing a few pomodoros, you take a longer break to recharge. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation every half hour. Part 2. How to use the Pomodoro Technique. We're going to dive into the Pomodoro Technique and learn how to use it like a pro. Trust me, once you've got this down, you'll be the talk of the campus, and everyone will want to know your secret study weapon. So, grab your textbooks, and let's get started. Step 1. Choose your study mission. First things first, you need to pick a study task that you want to tackle. It could be anything from memorizing those pesky chemistry formulas to writing an essay on Shakespeare. Just make sure it's something that requires focus and brainpower. No cheating by choosing to watch Netflix. That's not what Pomodoro is all about. Step 2. Set your timer now. Grab a timer, or use an app on your phone, and set it for 25 minutes. This is your first Pomodoro session, and it's time to get your study groove on. You can think of it as a mini power hour, where you'll be laser focused on your task. And hey, it's only 25 minutes. You can survive anything for that long, right? Step 3. Study like a boss during your Pomodoro session. Give it your all and stay focused on your task. Channel your inner Hermione Granger and resist the urge to check your phone, scroll through Instagram, or daydream about your crush. Remember, distractions are the enemy of the Pomodoro Technique. Step 4. Take a well-deserved break. When the timer goes off, give yourself a high five. You've just completed your first Pomodoro. Now, it's time to take a 5-minute break. Use this time to recharge your brain and do something fun or relaxing. Maybe bust out a few dance moves, grab a snack, or send a quick text to your BFF. Just make sure you don't get sucked into a time-wasting vortex. You've got more Pomodoros to conquer. Step 5. Rinse and repeat after your break. Set the timer for another 25-minute Pomodoro session and get back to studying. Keep repeating this process until you've completed 4 Pomodoros. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in these focused bursts of productivity. Step 6. Enjoy a longer break. Once you've finished 4 Pomodoros, it's time to reward yourself with a longer break. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes to do something you enjoy, like watching an episode of your favorite show, going for a walk, or chatting with friends. This longer break will help you recharge and prevent burnout, so you can come back to your studies feeling refreshed and ready to tackle more Pomodoros. Step 7. Keep track of your progress as you complete each Pomodoro. Make a note of your progress. This could be as simple as marking off a checkbox on a piece of paper or using a dedicated Pomodoro app. Tracking your progress will help you stay motivated and give you a sense of accomplishment as you power through your study tasks. Step 8. Adjust as needed. Remember, the Pomodoro Technique is all about finding the right balance between focused work and rest. If you find that 25-minute sessions are too long or too short, feel free to adjust the length to suit your needs. The key is to find a rhythm that works best for you and helps you stay productive and focused. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to using the Pomodoro Technique for students. Give it a try during your next study session, and you'll be well on your way to becoming the productivity master of your campus. Part 3. Benefits of the Pomodoro Technique. Now, you might be wondering, why should I try this technique? Well, here are some awesome benefits that'll make you want to jump on the Pomodoro bandwagon. 1. It helps you stay focused by breaking your work into manageable chunks. No more staring at a blank screen for hours on end. With Pomodoro, you'll be tackling tasks one bite-sized piece at a time. 2. It reduces burnout by giving you regular breaks to recharge. Say goodbye to those all-nighters that leave you feeling like a zombie the next day. 3. It helps you track your progress and see how much time you're spending on each task. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just a few Pomodoros. 4. It creates a sense of urgency, making you more efficient and productive. With the clock ticking, you'll be motivated to make the most of every minute. 5. It improves your work-life balance by encouraging you to take regular breaks and avoid overworking yourself. Your brain and your social life will thank you. Part 4. Tips for Success. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to make the most of the Pomodoro technique and become a productivity powerhouse. 1. Use a timer app or a physical timer to keep track of your Pomodoros. There are plenty of options out there, so find one that works best for you. 2. Customize the technique to fit your needs. You can adjust the length of your Pomodoros and breaks to find what works best for you. Maybe you prefer 30-minute Pomodoros with 10-minute breaks, or perhaps you thrive with 20-minute sessions and 5-minute breaks. Experiment and see what helps you stay focused and energized. 3. Eliminate distractions during your Pomodoros. Put your phone on silent, close unnecessary tabs, and let your friends and family know you're in focus mode. Create a study space that's free from distractions, so you can fully concentrate on your work. 4. Use your breaks wisely. Do something enjoyable or relaxing, but avoid getting sucked into time-consuming activities like social media or binge-watching your favorite show. Remember, the goal is to recharge, not to procrastinate. 5. Don't stress if you can't complete a Pomodoro. Just reset the timer and try again. Remember, it's all about building good habits and improving your focus over time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your productivity empire. 6. Keep track of your completed Pomodoros in a notebook or an app. This will help you see your progress over time and motivate you to keep going. Plus, it's super satisfying to look back and see all those completed Pomodoros stacking up. 7. Use the Pomodoro technique for both studying and non-studying tasks. It's not just for academics. You can use it to tackle chores, work projects, or even creative hobbies. The more you practice, the better you'll get at managing your time and staying focused. 8. Combine the Pomodoro technique with other productivity methods, like to-do lists, time blocking, or the Eisenhower matrix. Find a system that works best for you and helps you stay organized and on track. 9. Remember to be flexible and adapt the technique to your needs. If you find that you're in the zone and don't want to stop when the timer goes off, feel free to extend your Pomodoro. Just make sure to take a break eventually. Your brain needs time to recharge. 10. Share the Pomodoro technique with your friends, classmates, or coworkers. It's always more fun to be productive together, and you can even hold each other accountable for staying on track. And there you have it, fellow students. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer when it comes to managing your time and boosting your productivity. Give it a try during your next study session, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks to make your student life a breeze. Until next time, happy studying, and may the Pomodoro be with you. Hey, before you go, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for watching this video. Your support means the world to me, and I'm so grateful to be part of your journey towards academic success. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for more tips, tricks, and advice on how to succeed as a student, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you grow your talents and boost your grades. So, let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.